I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this frozen Jimmy Dean's Eggwich in the air fryer. So this is a breadless breakfast sandwich, perfect for those on a keto and low carb diet. It's using eggs instead of buns, so it's very healthy and low carb. And this flavor is ham, bell peppers, mushroom, bacon, onion, egg frittatas with turkey, sausage, and cheese. There's several flavors of those Eggwiches that I saw in the stores. They're all using the same instructions to make an air fryer. So no matter what flavor you have, follow my instruction and it'll turn out perfect. So I'm going to open up the package of the Eggwich. No need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. So I'm going to remove it from its packaging. Let's take out the air fryer gasket. And I'm going to take it apart so each piece air fries separately. So that's the egg, and that's the meat, and the other egg. The cheese I'm going to reserve for later. I don't want to cook it first because if you start cooking it with cheese, the cheese tends to fly around the air fryer and also melts and burns. So I'm going to cook the eggs in the sausage patty. And the cheese, what I will do is I will add it at the end so it just melts at the last minute. So let's put this in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look, it's perfectly cooked. It's nicely heated through. So the last thing we need to do is that piece of cheese. I'm just going to put it on top of the sausage patty. So now the patty is hot, the air fryer basket is hot, so I'm just going to put the air fryer back. But don't turn it on, don't set time and temperature, just the residual heat will melt the cheese. So I'll come back in 1 minute and we'll see the cheese is melted, and then we'll assemble this Eggwich and try it. So now it's been 1 minute and let's take a look to see the cheese. Perfect. So the cheese is melted in 1 minute. So now this Jimmy Dean Eggwich is ready to be assembled. So I'm just going to take this egg bun. So see, it's perfectly cooked, nicely brown, soft. And now I'm going to put the sausage patty with the melted cheese. And then the other egg. Perfect. And I cooked one at a time, and you can cook two at a time. Same instructions, same cooking time. Just cook as many as fits in the basket. Perfect. This looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Amazing. It's so delicious. It's hot, it's soft, it's moist, it's juicy. Tastes so good. Air fryer is perfect for heating up these Eggwiches. If you do them in a microwave, they come out soggy, not nearly as good as in the air fryer. You will love it. And it's a great healthy breakfast option, no carbs. Try it, you'll like it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!